Today we're going to do a demonstration on how to contour with the new iredale Contour Kit. Today we are using the warm set, and this one on the right hand side is for contouring, the one in the middle is for blush, the one on the left is for highlighting. We're going to do each kit comes with this set of instructions. We're going to be doing the oval on Lyla today. She already has her basic makeup on, so we're just going to be, following these instructions. So I'm going to do the contour first. You can, since she has such a small area that we're going to be working with, I'm going to use the fan brush for the contour part. So, just load your brush, and we're gonna go right around the frame of her face. And it's a pretty thin line. She has the oval face. So we're highlighting, we're gonna highlight in the center, and we're gonna contour out toward the edges. And then just a little bit along the jawline. And you want to blend in because you don't want to have like a set line there. So you want to blend it. So, just blend it. And like I said, she already has her base makeup on. So it'll give her a more chiseled look, and it will highlight her cheeks, and will highlight on top of her cheekbones there. So the next step is to put blush on, which is the middle one, and it's actually going to be on the top of her cheeks. And again, blend it in. So it's more toward the top of her cheeks. So you can just use, Iredale does have brushes available, but you can just use the blush brush that you have as well. So then with the highlight, I'm gonna go back to my fan brush. I'm just gonna clean it off, go with the highlight, and it's right above, right on the very top of that bone. And you're just gonna and that will bring out the center of her face. And that's all you have to do for her face shape. And then we'll follow it up with the pomegranate hydration spray, and this will set the makeup, and it's also very hydrating, and it has a lot of antioxidants in it, and it sets the makeup, it hydrates her skin, and it feels good, it smells good.